Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general combined reading for my water sign viewers. So, this reading is going to be for Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Okay, water sign viewers, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So, please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. In this reading, I'm going to see your partner's energy towards you, your energy towards your partner, your mutual energies, and the future potential of this relationship. Okay. So let's start the reading for water sign. So I'm going to pick one card for your to know what your partner to know what your partner's energy towards you. Okay, so this card is for your partners. Okay, the Fool. This card is for you, the Chariot. The mutual energies between you and your partner is the Emperor, and the future potential of this relationship is Wheel of Fortune. So with this Fool card, your partner sees you and thinks or feels about you that you are someone who is very energetic and who is very immature. Okay, plus who has a lot of faith in divine, a lot of faith in universe, a lot of faith in people. Okay, you are very energetic person. You always want to take decisions for your life. Okay, you are not concerned about the consequences of your decisions which you take on which you take without thinking a lot about it. Okay, without even reconsidering your thoughts. Okay, um, you are someone who believes in doing. Okay, you just complete your things without even thinking. Okay, you just want, and I feel that your person feels about you that you are someone who is very basically they feel that you are someone who can initiate this relationship. Okay, they see you as someone who can initiate certain the solid foundation of this relationship. I feel that they are waiting for you to communicate with them. Okay, they feel that you are going to propose them, you are going to start initiating about this relationship, you are going to start communicating about this relationship. Okay, so they feel that you are going to start this relationship very soon. Okay, if not, if you guys are dating, then you are definitely probably you will propose to a person. That's how your person is seeing you, that's how they their energies towards you. Okay, this is your energy towards your partner. You feel that your partner is someone who is very mature, very stable, grounded. Okay, they are the one who can lead this relationship. Although on the other hand, your person feels that you are the someone who can take initiative in this relationship, who can start this relationship. On the other hand, you feel that your person is capable enough to lead this relationship in future. Okay, you see them, they are very much capable enough. Okay, they have all the qualities to lead this relationship. Okay, you find them as someone who is very down to earth, who is very mature. Okay, who is very commanding. Okay, and who is very strong minded person. Okay, and you feel about them that yes, they are the one who can lead this relationship. Okay, the current energy of or mutual energy between you and your person is the Emperor. So both of you are making or feeling like an emperor in this relationship, because your partner feels that you are someone who is initiating or who wants to initiate something new in this relationship, and on the other hand, you feel that your partner has all the qualities to lead this relationship. Okay, successfully. So right now both of you are depicting or showing as an emperor energy. Okay, both of you are in this energy of emperor. Okay, and yes, both of you know what is your duties and responsibilities to make this relationship a success. Okay, both of you knows how to tackle the tough time, okay, in this relationship. Both of you are very much uh, aware about your duties and responsibilities in this relationship, okay. You guys are very kind towards each other. You guys are very confident towards each other, okay. You guys are very and I feel that both of you are always ready to take action towards the other person, okay. No matter how and who start or who initiate this the communication, okay. Both of you are always willing to take decisions towards towards your person, okay. And I feel that since you are showing this emperor energy, so I feel that for some of you, maybe you guys are not showing your true emotions to your partner, that how much you love them, how much you adore them, how much you how much you like them, okay. So for some of you, you guys are not showing your genuine emotions to your to your partner, okay. The future energy of this relationship is the wheel of fortune, so I feel that definitely some big and happy news is about to come in your life. Some good luck is happening in your life, okay. And once you will I mean once you guys are come you guys will come together and start something new in this relationship, then definitely both of your I mean the best time is about to start for both of you in this reading, okay, in this relationship in coming time, okay. So water sign, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aries with this emperor. Some of you could be dealing with Cancer with this chariot, okay. Now let's take some divine and angel messages for you, and then we'll see some secret love notes from your partner's side. Let's see what angel wants to tell you, okay. So I have to okay, so angels are saying perfect timing and compromise. So for some of you, angels are saying that you need to wait for the perfect timing, okay. uh, okay. And for some of you, angels are saying that you need to compromise on certain things of your life. Maybe it is your bad emotions or toxic emotions or your negative emotions. So angels are saying for some of you that you should compromise on something and you should wait for the perfect timing, or this is the perfect timing if you guys are not communicating towards each other, or if there is no communication, that then this is the best time to connect with your person, okay. That's what universe is trying to say. Now we are going to see some handwritten love notes or secret love messages for you